We have to find out for the redox reaction the correct coefficients of the reactants for the balanced equation. So first I will show you the redox reaction that is taking place. We have MnO4 plus C2O4 plus H positive, that is giving us Mn2 positive plus CO2 plus H2O. Over here the reduction is taking place like this and the oxidation is happening on carbon. I'll just add the number of 7 plus 3 plus 4. So the N factor of MnO4 is 5 and the N factor of C2O4 2 negative is 2. The ratio of N factors of MnO4 and C2O4 is 5:2. That is the ratio. So the molar ratio between in the balanced reaction will be equal to 2:5, and the balance equation that we'll get is 2MnO4 plus 5C2O4 2 negative plus 16H, that will give us 2Mn2 positive plus 10CO2 plus 8H2O. Therefore the correct option is option number 2.